exposing the secrets in legal education that can change your career forever. Join us this Sunday at 11:30 a.m. for an exclusive webinar featuring the renowned legal expert Dr. A. Seshachalam. As an associate professor at IFEM College, Bengaluru, Dr. Seshachalam brings a wealth of experience in legal and autonomous research. Hosted by EML Group's very own CEO Jitendra Kumar, this workshop, Transformation from School to Court, the Need for Legal Education, is your chance to dive deep into the world of law. Whether you're a student dreaming of a legal career or simply curious about the field, this is your moment to learn from the best. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity to interact directly with a seasoned expert and set your career path on the road to success. Mark your calendars, set your alarms, and get ready to be inspired. We'll see you there.